Hi, welcome along to Steve at home again on this lovely summer sunny afternoon. Today we're going to be looking at ARDEX CA 20P, which is a cartridge adhesive, very easy to use. Fits in a normal type skeleton gun. You don't need a special extended size gun or anything like that, and it'll bond ceramics, wood, plastic, steel, metals, all that type of stuff. It's white in colour, and it can be used as a fillet or a decorator's cork. It can be overpainted, shrink compensated, and very, very flexible. So today what I'm going to be doing is this product can be used in damp locations. I'm going to do a quick demonstration in a minute that it can be applied underwater. And I've got a tile that's been on my patio for a while now, and while I've got some time on my hands, I thought I'd prepare it. So I've took the tile out this morning, give the bed a clean off, but it's still quite damp under that tile because it's been loose for quite a long time. So I'm going to apply the CA20P and fix it back down. So what you get with this, very easy and very simple, is a just to keep it nice and fresh. So just open the seal, use a screwdriver or a nail or a bradawl, something to just pierce the end, like so. Put the nozzle on and then cut the nozzle to the size you're going to require. I'm going to cut that in a minute because I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for filling in the tile, but I'm just going to show you a quick demonstration of how we apply it, or how it can be applied underwater. So get it all ready, get it ready to come out the end, and as you can see, nice and easy, applies underwater, not a problem. Any silicons, anything like that would just peel off. It's ideal for around your baths or places like that. And we're just going to fix a tile. Very simple, like so. So it can be used underwater. So we're going to move that out of the way. So I'm going to cut the nozzle quite a bit bigger now because I want to create quite a good bed under this tile because it gets a lot of traffic. So. And I'm just going to apply some beads to the floor, and I'm also going to try and create as near to as a solid bed as I can get. In this scenario, obviously, if I had a large number of these tiles to fit, I would obviously mix up an ARDEX tile adhesive, because it's just one tile in a location like so. I could put a rib trowel through it, and there we go. Just click it off. Just leave it sitting there for a minute. So I've got my tile, one of the originals. Be very careful with it because we can't get any more of these, they've been discontinued. And I'm just going to slowly bed it in, simply like so, making sure we've got full contact with the adhesive, making sure the edges are nice and smooth. Very good. Easy and simple. Got a bit of an ooze coming out the side, but again showing me I've got a solid bed. That tile now should take about a couple of hours to fully bond, and then I can run a bit of grout, or even, because it matches the colour I've got here, even maybe a small amount of A46. The tube is resealable, so you've got a cap that goes back on the end, so you can use it again. So easy and simple to use, and as you say, a variety of uses. It can be used as a cork, it can be used as a sealer, it can be used as a bonding agent on all types of substrates. Thank you and have a good afternoon.